This is the Gen 2 PlateStack for Prusa printers, a 3D printable, stackable storage solution for your Prusa build plates. It can be assembled into a Gen 2 tabletop kit, hang it under tables and workbenches, or directly under your Prusa Core One with the Gen 2 Core One Kit. The model prints in 3 parts that are easy to print and easy to assemble. I modeled in supports for the 2 side pieces. You'll just break those off. If you find any sharp edges, you can just trim those off with flush cutters. Next, we'll pull 3 M3 hex nuts into place using M3 screws. The last 2 of the 3 hex nuts will be installed on the centerpiece. Look for the little triangle. This is facing the front. To assemble everything, it all just slides together. Again, make note of the small triangle on the centerpiece. That's the front. We'll lock everything in place using 3 M3 screws. The front 2 screws are M3 by 6. And last, we'll install the rear M3 screw. This is an M3 by 4. Next, we'll install the Gen 2 QuickLocks. These compliant mechanisms allow you to snap the unit in place. To help hold your build plates in place, you have the option to add magnets. Here I'm installing them on the left and right side, and I just slowly insert magnets as I carefully slide this mechanism in place. The PlateStack is part of the Gen 2 modular storage system, which I've been working on as a hobby since 2019. The large majority of the models are completely free if you want to use them in your office, home, workspace. You can find the full catalog at Gerari3D.com. But if you do want to support the project, please consider joining my club or purchasing one of the more premium models. And a huge thank you to everyone who supports the Gen 2 project. It's been a huge help, and it's just incredible. Every year this project advances alongside 3D printing technologies, and I am excited to see where this project goes.